Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find your lost iPhone. Now, if you've already lost your phone, hopefully you've already gone through some of these steps to be able to find that, but I'll talk through that as we go of some workarounds if you haven't done this that you might be able to still find it. I'm also talking about the digital way of finding this. This isn't necessarily how to look in couch cushions or how to retrace your steps. This is how to actually find the digital footprint, the GPS signal of your phone within the app. So, before jump in, and if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video. So you can go into the phone settings. And first things, we're just going to go up to where our name is. We're going to click on that. We're going to go down to find my sort of the middle of the screen there. We're going to click on that. And up here at the top, you want to make sure that this says Find My iPhone, and that is turned on. If it's not, toggle those on from there. That's the first thing. As long as that is on now, you will be able to trace that signal to be able to find that. Now, if you have not turned that on, or you don't think you've turned that on, there are very few options that's going to allow you to do that. If you that Find My iPhone is not on, this is going to be very difficult to find. Assuming that is on, or you're helping a friend find their phone, or you now have your phone lost and you're looking on a friend's account. I'm going to show you how to find that with that toggled on. We're going to hop out of that, and so we're going to search for Find My. And then down at the bottom here, you have people. So those are people in your friend or family group that you can see where all their devices are. So if you're trying to help somebody that's in your circle of friends, you can find their devices that way. Or if you're looking for your device, you can go to Devices, and down here it's showing me where all my devices that I'm signed into are. So my iPhone is with me because I'm using it, but it shows me where my iPhone is, shows me where my AirPods is, and I could be able to get those that way. But if you click on the device, it's going to open up this screen here, and we're just going to scroll this up. It'll either give you directions here if it's away from you. So you could click on that, and you could drive directly to, even if it's like you left it in a park. You could see it all right through there. And then they also have an option here to play a sound, and if you click on that, you can see it alerts the phone. There you go. And you can stop that. So, if it's near you or you're trying to identify, maybe it's lost on a hiking path or something like that, you could play that sound to be able to detect it that way. And you can keep hitting that as many times you need to keep that sound going. Now, if the phone is lost and you're not able to identify where it's at, you can enable Lost Mode, which creates a screen that'll pop up on the phone with some information in case somebody finds that, or if it has been stolen, it's totally not able to be recovered. You can go down here at the bottom and go erase this device or remove this device from your group of objects. So, if it has been stolen or something like that, you can erase it. It'll take off all your photos, your passwords, all the information that's in there to give you some sort of security. You also have notifications. So, this is really handy. You can notify when it's left behind. So it'll send a notification to my devices if I leave my phone somewhere and I get too far away from it, it'll send a notification. So that's kind of a handy way to just before it becomes lost, you can be able to retrieve it that way. And so, I hope this helps you out. I hope you're able to find your phone. I hope this video got to you soon enough to be able to turn those options on so that you can find it if you lose it. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.